Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We are doing arithmetic. Now, it's something you do all the time, so you're going to feel really comfortable with it. But we're going to have 8 minutes to go through 14 questions in your notebooks. Okay, I will come round and help anybody that needs help, but I'd like you to give it a really good go on your own and see if you can use the working out methods we've done in class before to get to the answer. Once we've done our 8 minutes, we'll go through it together as a group on the board and make sure that we all understand. Okay? Any questions? No? We want to start? We'll give it 10 seconds until it's on a minute, and then we'll start our 8 minutes. Off you go. Got 3 minutes left. Alright, you're doing really, really well. Concentrate on doing the ones that you feel confident doing, and then you can always go back to the ones that are a little bit more difficult for you. What about number 2? Does anybody want to come up to the board and have a go? Alfie, do you want to come and try and do that one on the board for me? Remember to show us how you lay it out as neatly as you can in whiteboard pen. I know that's difficult.
7, 6,
5. 5.8. Minutes. Do you want me to read it to you? 2, 4, 9.6, 7. Okay. What's the first thing that Alfie's done that's really important? Isla?
Circled the thing that you're doing.
Operation. He's circled the operation. Well done. Right here. He's circled the operation. Why is this a good thing to start with? Tommy?
So you know what you're doing, like adding or taking away.
Brilliant. So you don't get a bit lost halfway through your equation and start adding and subtracting instead. If it's circled, it's more visible to you and you can see that that is exactly what you need to be working out. What do we do next, Alfie?
Take away 7 from 0, which you can't do, so you would have to exchange from the 8, borrow from the 8, so the 8 will become a 7, and you bring 1 over to make the 0 a 10. And
Brilliant.
7 take away 10 is 3.
Lovely. What do I do next?
Do 6 take away 7, which is 1.
Lovely.
Put your decimal point.
Brilliant. Well done. Always remember that decimal point.
Then 9 take away 5, which you can't do, so you borrow from the 6 to make it 5. Make the 5 a 15, and then 9 take away 15, which is 6. And then 4 take away 5 is 1. 2 take away 7 is 5.
Lovely. Well done, Alfie.
Which
Great
gets me on
explanation.
516.13.
Brilliant. Which way did you do it?
I did it,
Can I have a look?
yeah, I did it like that. And I got a 50.
So have you added this or subtracted it? I know you've put an add there,
Yeah, I added that. And then I've done all of this.
but if you
I did
added,
in the end. So then I got in the end 24.17.
by adding 50 and 23.67,
Yeah, that's what.
what did you,
Yeah, yeah, 'cause that's what the answer says. So I added that.
right?
That's what I thought. Then I took that away.
Do you mean you took it away? You took 23.67 away from 50, which gave you.
Oh wait. Oh.
Does that make sense?
No, it doesn't.
So you've got,
I
no,
found
you're
the
not
answer
wrong, but you haven't remembered to what?
Add.
Subtract. You have added.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I meant to add. And then I subtracted at the bottom.
Okay, so you've done it, but in a much longer way than
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Who wants to come up and do it on the board in the way that we would do it normally in class? Isla?